Okay, so we're at Doral with Jim McLean's Golf Academy and with George Puchinsky. How's it going, George?
Going fine.
Okay, so George is a BodiTrak sales rep living in Naples, soon to be on the east coast of Florida. When you moving here?
Probably in spring.
Okay, so George has got this. So what we're going to do here, we're going to show you how to use V1. So first of all, you can move the velocity chart, you can move the COP trace wherever you want. You can, you can split the screen, compare it to another shot, which we're not going to do right now, but well, maybe we will. And that's another one of his traces. But okay, so we're going to go back to the single trace. Well, this looks cool. So now what I want to do is go back to the single trace, and we'll go back to the recent slide. Okay, this is the one we want to show you. So I can just click on flip-flop and pick out the trace I want to trace and analyze it. But what's really neat is now I'm going to move the video to impact. I'm going to try to capture it. That's pretty close, George. Is that good?
That's pretty good.
Right there?
Yep.
Okay, we're using the high-speed camera. First time I've ever used it with capturing. So then I hit number 6. Good. Okay. Now watch what happens here to the velocity chart. Now, yeah, see that? Now impact is set right there. Now I can drag this down and match up impact to the hairlines, the crosshairs on the COP trace. And so right there, I know George has got, at that impact, you've got 70% of your weight on your lead side, right? Okay, so George has got a little bit of a micro move that he doesn't like, and we've been trying to work on that. And George, how you been doing that? You're just working your feet, right?
Working my feet.
How are you working it?
With the foot pressure.
Okay, no, but I mean, trail side, pushing off your trail, and moving it to your left and pushing off your lead side.
Yes.
Okay, so now we'll go over all this. Okay, but let's look at how we use V1. 50-50 at address. The white lines are the same as in BodiTrak. The white lines represent the lateral motion. The yellow lines represent the heel to toe motion. And George has got good balance heel to toe. In fact, we're going to roll this tape a little bit so he takes it back. Now this is the first time we've been able to sync up video with BodiTrak, high speed, I should say. George, you got 66% of your weight on your trail side, 67 on your heel at transition. Is that what you want?
That's a little much.
A little much. Okay, so now George is a teaching pro from Chelsea Piers. How long have you been teaching?
About 15 years.
You can get a little louder so everybody can hear.
15 years.
15 years, wow, okay. So now you're moving your weight to your lead side. George, tell people your move here. When you're going to see this yellow line, the green line here, the green line. Oh, I did it right backwards. That green line down there is impact. So we'll get rid of these lines, just show you that one more time. That is impact. So the red line is going to be moving frame by frame by frame. Okay, George, tell people what your weight's going to your lead toe. You got 95% of your weight on your lead toe. What's the next move here?
Push down.
No, but where's your weight going after this? The white dot, where's the pressure going?
Forward.
And to which part of your foot?
Ball on my foot.
And where's it going now?
Now it's going backwards to my heel.
Right. And that's not bad because you said you hit that probably one of your better hits there. That you're using your lead foot as a brake. And then it goes backwards again. And you're done. And now it's moving forward. But George has been cleaning up his trace. So these little micro moves, have you ever been able to see these with video?
Can't see them.
No. So this is a lesson on how to sync up your BodiTrak with V1. It's just the first. We're just at Doral having fun at Jim McLean's, just talking to the instructors. It's a great opportunity for us to all learn. Thanks, George.
You're welcome.
BodiTrak out.